Dear student, welcome to e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. I am Dharam Prakash, your math teacher. So students, this is my second lecture video of chapter 1, revision of numerals. And now, today our topic is place value of digits in a two-digit number. Is it clear? So, the number shown in abacus is 47. So, 4 is in 10th place and 7 is in 1 place. So we can write there are 4 tens. There are 4 tens and 7 ones. Is it clear? 4 is in 10th place and 7 is in 1st place. So we can say there are 4 tens and 7 ones. Is it clear? So the place value of 4 is so in 47 the place value of 4 is the 4 is the place 4 is the which place? So 4 is a 10th place. So the place value of 4 is 4 tens. Yes, that is 4 into 10 and then is 40. Okay, and the place value of 7 is 7 ones, and that is 7. Is it clear? And 47 we can write 47 is 4 tens plus 7 ones. 4 tens plus 7 1. So now we can write 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1 7, or we can write 4 into 10 is 40 plus 7. So 47 is equals to 4 into 10 plus 7 or 40 plus 7. So this is the expanded form of expanded form of 47. 4 into 10 plus 7 or 40 plus 7 is expanded form of 47, and 47 is the short form of 4 into 10 plus 7 or 40 plus 7. So this is the expanded form of 47, and 47 is the short form of this and this. Is it clear? Our question is, write the place value of 4 of the following number. Write the place value of 4. So place value of 4 in 49. So this is ones and this is tens. So we can write 4 tens. 4 tens, and this is 4 into 10, and this is also equals to 40. So place value of 4 is 40. Is it clear? And now 54. The place value of 4 in 54. So this is 4 ones. It means 4 into 1, and this is equals to 4. So place value of 4 in 49 is 40, and place value of 4 in 54 is only 4. Is it clear? Next, second question, write in expanded form of the following. हम लोग write the expanded form of the following. So write the expanded form of 56. So this is ones place and this is tens place. So we can write 5 into 10, 5 tens plus 6 ones, and this is equals to 5 into 10 plus 6, and this is also equals to 50 plus 6. Is it clear? And 67, where is 6 tens? 6 tens plus 7 ones, and this is equals to 6 into 10 plus 7, and this is also equals to 6 tens are 60 plus 7. Is it clear? And now next see 27. So 2 is in the tens place plus 7 is in the ones place. So this is equals to 2 into 10 plus 7 or 20 plus 7. And next 84. So 8 is in the tens place plus 4 is in the ones place. So this is equals to 8 into 10 plus 4, and this is equals to 80 plus 4. Is it clear? So our next topic is comparison of two-digit number. Hello students, among two-digit numbers, the numbers having a greater digit in the tens place, greater digit in the tens place is greater. It means first of all we have to check given two numbers, compare with these two numbers. So first of all we have to check the digits in the tens place. So this is one place and this is tens place, and this is one place and this is tens place. So first of all we have to compare the tens place. So tens place is 5 and here 5, and here tens place is 3. So 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Is it clear? With these numbers have tens place is 5 and these numbers have tens place is 3. So the digits in the tens place is 5 and 3. These numbers have 5 and these numbers have 3. So which have greater? So 5 is greater than 3. So number 52 is greater than 37. 52 is greater than 37. In the other case, if the two numbers have the same digits in the tens place, in case tens place have same digits, then we have to compare the ones place. We have to compare the ones place of these two numbers. Okay, and which place is greater? So number is greater. So these two numbers 67 and 64. So first of all we have to compare the tens place. So this is ones place and this is tens place. This is ones place and this is tens place. So first of all we have to compare tens place. So this is 6 and this have also 6. So both are equal. So both tens place have same value. So now we have to compare the ones place. So ones place is 7 and here is ones place is 4. So 7 is greater than 4. 7 is greater than 4. So now 67 is greater than 64. 67 is greater than 64. Is it clear? So now we have to discuss the place value of 3-digit numbers and comparison of 3-digit numbers. Okay. So similarly, friends, our question is write the place value of 4. Write the place value of 4 in 3-digit number. In 3 digits in 3-digit number. Okay. So here is 3-digit number this is 264. So this is one place, this is 10th place, and this is 100th place. So place value of 4 in 264. Okay, so 4 is in the ones place, so right here 4 ones. So this is equals to 4. Is it clear? And this question, the place value of 4 in 642. So 4 is in the 10th place. 4 is in the 10th place. So right here 4 tenths, and this is equals to 4 into 10, and this is also equals to 40. Okay. So 40 is the 10th place. Place value of 4 in 642 is 40, and the place value of 462, number is 462. So 4 is in the 100th place. So right here 400. So this is equals to 4 into 100, and this is also equals to 400. So place value of 4 in 462. So this is 400. So next question, write the expanded form of 3-digit number. So here is 3-digit number. This is 1st place, this is 10th place, and this is 100th place. So we can write 200s plus 6 tens plus 4 ones, and this is equals to 2 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 4. Okay, so this is the expanded form, and also we can write 200 plus 60 plus 4. 200 plus 60 plus 4. And this question, 600 plus 4 tens plus 2 ones. So this is equals to 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 2. So this is equals to 600 plus 40 plus 2. Is it clear? And last is, write the expanded form of 462. So 400 plus 6 tens plus 2 ones, and this is equals to 4 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 2, and this is equals to 400 plus 60 plus 2. So the expanded form of 264, 642, 462. And write down some note points. 2-digit number are greater than the 1-digit number. 2-digit number are greater than the 1-digit number. So check here. 25 is 2-digit number and 5 is 1-digit number. So 2-digit number is greater than 1-digit number. So 25 is greater than 5. Is it clear? And next point is 3-digit number are greater than the 2-digit number. 3-digit number is greater than the 2-digit number. Okay. Right here 3-digit number for 100 and 2-digit number is 20. 100 is greater than 20. So 3-digit number is greater than the 2-digit number. So this is 100 is greater than 20. And now last point, 3-digit numbers are also greater than the 1-digit number. Okay. So 3-digit number is also greater than the 1-digit number. Is it clear? So friends, today your homework, do exercise 1, question number 6 to 15. 6 to 15. Okay. So thank you.